Hey guys, what's up? My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent, and today we have an unboxing video for you, the new Amazfit Stratos. So I'm still in the process of reviewing the new Fitbit Versa, so stay tuned for that full review here in a few days. What you're seeing on screen right now is actually the original Amazfit Pace, and the Amazfit Stratos, which I'm going to be unboxing here today, is kind of considered the Amazfit Pace 2, even though they are calling it by a different name, the Amazfit Stratos. Now, we did do a full review of the Amazfit Pace, and so I'll put a link on screen now if you want to check that out. But the reason why we're showing you the clips of the Amazfit Pace is to give you a context on where the Amazfit Stratos has come from, some of the similarities between the Stratos and the Pace, and some of the differences. The Amazfit Pace was so impressive to us that when my wife's Garmin Vivoactive HR finally bit the dust after a couple of years of service, she ended up just starting to use the Amazfit Pace as her daily fitness tracker and smartwatch, and she's been very happy with the results so far. Now, the version of the Amazfit Stratos that we're going to be unboxing today is the international English version, so everything on the box, including the instructions, is in English. That's not going to be the case if you do not order this version of it. If you do not order the international English version, then you're going to get a version that's entirely in Chinese. So let's cover some of the features that are talked about on the box. The first one is that there is music connectivity between the device itself and Bluetooth headphones, and there is internal storage, so if you have MP3s, you can put them on this device and then stream them to Bluetooth headphones. Additionally, this does have built-in GPS with GLONASS for tracking distance-based sports like running, cycling, and jogging. It will give you, obviously, your distance information, but then also location information that you can review on a map after the fact. You'll also get smart notifications for things like calls, text, emails, and other app notifications. The watch does come with built-in sports profiles. Multi-sport tracking is what they're calling it, which will allow you to track various exercises like running, cycling, swimming, and even triathlon sports. So I'm really excited to test out those various activity modes and see how they hold up. This is also water resistant up to 5 atmospheres. So again, this does work in the pool, and it will hold up in up to 5 atmospheres of water. This also comes packed with an always-on color display. Now, the display on the Amazfit Pace wasn't great, so we'll see how the Stratos holds up. This also has a built-in heart rate sensor. This does appear to be a different sensor than that of the Pace. This will have what they're calling a long-lasting battery, but really it's only about 4 or 5 days worth of battery life. You do get up to 35 hours of continuous GPS tracking if you're going to do a very extended long GPS activity. And then similar to the Pace, this does come with a ceramic case, which is going to be durable and obviously scratch resistant. And then similar to Garmin products, you are going to get a VO2 max estimate. Now, really, if I'm honest with you, the reason why I'm excited about this watch is that it seems to be somewhere in between the Amazfit Pace and the features that we would get from something much more expensive like the Garmin Fenix 5X. So I'm very excited to see what kind of results I get from this watch in comparison to something much more expensive like the Garmin Fenix 5X, and see if this is an improvement on something that's already modestly priced like the Amazfit Pace. Out of the box, you will get a charging cradle similar to the previous generation Amazfit Pace. Now, on this charging cradle, you simply just rest the device onto the back of the charging cradle and it will charge with 4-pin connectors. The device looks and feels like a top quality device. I love the looks of the ceramic backing, how it kind of has that carbon fiber look, really sharp, and I'm really excited to put this to use. The screen on this appears to be the exact same screen that's on the Amazfit Pace, up to and including the flat tire, which I'm not a big fan of, but you get used to it. Other than that, though, the bodies are a little bit different. You have totally different lugs that connect to different style watch straps. You'll have 3 buttons on the side instead of 1. And the heart rate sensor on this does appear to possibly be a different sensor, although that I'll have to confirm at a later point. In terms of size and weight, this is not a small device. Even compared with my Apple Watch with a large rubber case on it, this definitely was larger and heavier. So stay tuned for a full review where we put this through a wide variety of different exercises. We will take this swimming, cycling, jogging, put it through high-intensity interval training, CrossFit-style exercises, and weightlifting. We'll throw everything that we can at this watch to see how it holds up. In the meantime, feel free to subscribe and, of course, check out our other great reviews and videos, and make sure you leave your comments and questions below, and I'll get to those as quickly as I possibly can. Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is Eric, and I'm the Techy Agent. We'll catch you next time.